it's Natalie from Nurture Handmade. Hope spring is finding you well. It's doing great for me. I'm not sure if you were aware, but today I'm finding out is the first day of Me Made May. And luckily I've challenged myself to do at least 90% of my own clothes this year. And so I'll tell you what I have on and then we'll move into what this video is about. I have on the Billy sweatshirt, but I use sweater material. And I use the puff sleeve version, and it does have a cuff on the waist and cuffs here. And then for my bottom half, I have an exciting video that will be coming up in the future regarding what these are. And these are a pair of Me Made jeans, my first pair of real Me Made jeans. They're the ginger jeans from Closet Core. And I got to take an amazing class, and that'll be for another video. So these are the ginger jeans from Closet Core, and I was taught by Lauren Taylor out of Nashville, Tennessee. That'll be an upcoming video though. Really cute, very form-fitting. I'm not used to jeans like that, but it is pretty cute and fun. I love the green denim. It's from Style Maker Fabric, so more on that another time. Okay, so this video is about the Assembly Line, that's the pattern company, wide leg jumpsuit. This is an intermediate pattern and it comes in sizes XS to 3XL. It's good pattern sizing. It features drop shoulder, front and back V-neck, pockets, gotta have the pockets. Some people don't like pockets. I love pockets. It has a voluminous leg and elasticized waist. Who doesn't love that? And an optional belt. I did do a couple things differently than the pattern because I'm me and sometimes things go different directions, but I enjoyed it very much. And so here we go. Okay, so what we have here is this wonderful blend. I don't exactly remember what linen this is, but it's a linen blend. I think it's linen and cotton. It's going to be a good staple piece, I think, in my wardrobe because the color is so good. So what I've done is, for the instructions, I have, there's the little markings that you do, and I have ironed, and it's ready to get sewn, and then you iron along the front and back neckline, and then we're going to overlock the edge and then sew that, top stitch that down. And same thing with the pants, front and back. The notches I have ironed and turned under, and I'm ready to do the next step. Here we go. Okay, so this is super exciting. I get to do something I haven't done before. Well, first of all, I'm lining up the back of the pants while they're flat with the back of the top of the jumpsuit, and face to face, lining up the center seam. I have flattened the seam to the left on both of the bottom and the top. Back legs are sewed together, back centers are sewed together, so that seam will be nice and easy to find my guide. The exciting thing I haven't done before is elastic thread. So I'm going to wind a bobbin by hand with elastic thread, and here I go.
Okay, so what I used is my long tweezers with a serger to hold it because my nails were kind of getting in the way. It says loose or medium, not too loose, not too tight. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and sew the top, the back bodice to the back pants with the ruching that comes from this. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited. Trying to figure out the elastic. Oops, I've got elastic in there. So this is supposed to go on the back of, this is just me pulling it, but otherwise it's just sewing like normal. And then the back looks like that. The only way I can figure out how to do it is if I take this and pull it manually. I don't know. You guys, I'm gonna have to watch a video. Okay, so that didn't work, so I'm going back to tried and true. I have given myself a nice piece of the non-folding elastic, and I'm going to do 3 stretched out seams. I have attached it on the sides and then the center of the elastic and the center of this. Then I just have to stretch and ruche right there and right there. Here I go. Okay, I'm very pleased with how that turned out. This is the back, and I used the black elastic that won't twist or turn, and it's sewed down nice and very, very stretchy. All right. Okay, it's late and I've gotten ready for bed. I wanted to kind of finish this. I've been packing for my wonderful trip, and I hate to leave things undone. It's turning out cute. Here's the front. It doesn't have the stretch in the waist yet. Very, very decent chance this might be slightly too small. So we shall see. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Since I kind of rushed through that part, I did the bust darts and I attached here. I did the overlapping first, basted that, and then pressed it up and stitched it on. And pockets, of course, I did those. And I did top stitching this particular go around, so I think that'll look particularly nice. So there's the top stitching right there, crotch. All right, so elastic side tabs for the belt. I made the belt first, which I didn't show, but this is the belt. And I think we put it all together after I get that elastic in. So here we go. Okay, I have sewn the elastic in the front. It's looking like a jumpsuit. Slight chance it's gonna be too tight. I do have this giant frock on, so we shall see. Next and last, I believe, is to attach shoulders and sides and the little waist tabs, which are over there. And voila, I believe we will be done. All right. Like it. I like it. All right, different lighting. I like the sash. I like this fabric, which is some kind of a linen blend.
I like the wide cuff on the sleeve, and they're the same on the ankle. I like the wide legs. I like the pockets, wide legs. Adding an inch next time to here and here is going to be necessary. As you can see, it's definitely on the shorter side. I sized a whole size down than I normally do, which fits everywhere except for that area. Overall, really comfortable though. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this make, and on to the next one. Peace out.